Established in 1969, Cembre is today Europe's leading manufacturer of electrical compression connectors and related installation tools. The manufacturing program also includes cable glands, railway products and accessories, and industrial marking solutions. The Italian plant, with its production units and offices, covers an area of 51,000 square meters on a total land area of 121,000 square meters. Cembre has been listed on the Milan Stock Exchange since 1997. In addition to the plant in Brescia, a second design and manufacturing facility is situated near Birmingham, the second largest UK city in the heart of the Midlands. Cembre Limited manufactures mainly for the national market. However, its high flexibility provides for all the group's subsidiary companies. Today, the Cembre Group has 620 employees in 7 companies, the other 5 being traded subsidiaries located in Paris, Madrid, Munich, Oslo, and Edison, New Jersey, USA. The headquarters in Brescia coordinates the business operations of the whole group. Cembre engineers, designers and technicians work to produce not only the company's products, but also the equipment and machinery that makes them. Cembre's mission is the implementation of technologically advanced products that are highly reliable and easy to use. Cembre designers and technicians make full use of three-dimensional CAD, finite element analysis systems, and prototyping equipment, such as 3D printers. In addition to research activities focused mainly on developing innovative products for sectors with the highest growth potential, Cembre continuously updates its existing products to make them easier to use and more efficient in their performance standards. 98% of our sales turnover is based on our own product sale. We manufacture the first automatic rail disc saw machine. Dedicated manufacturing equipment is produced and efficiently maintained in best condition in the tooling department. The study and implementation of dedicated workpiece positioning and handling systems have optimized the working processes, reducing time and costs and ensuring high-quality standards. High-volume manufacture of electrical connectors and cable accessories is carried out by the use of automated machinery, where high-precision dies produce up to 2,000 pieces per minute. For the electrical connectors manufacture, only higher quality electrolytic copper is used, with a purity exceeding 99.9%, and aluminium with a purity exceeding 99.5%. The subsequent annealing and tinning processes ensure the correct physical properties and essential surface protection. The Cembre Group sells more than 2.5 million of terminals every day. In addition to a full range of identification products for cables markers, terminals, push buttons and components used in electrical panels, Cembre also manufactures Markingenious MG3, a high-resolution thermal transfer flatbed printer, capable of unrivaled speed and autonomy in printing such a variety of products. We produce the world's most competitive industrial marking printer. Injection molding machines equipped with dedicated molds manufacture both seamless semi-finished products for connectors and tools and finished products for the industrial marking range. Cembre puts high emphasis on all testing, researching and monitoring activities. Significant investments are reserved for laboratories and prototype facilities to support design, product development and monitoring of their characteristics. The packaging of connectors is performed completely without manual intervention by automated machines. We work 24 hours a day to provide our customers with a fast delivery service. The modular boxes are placed in cases and assigned to the automated warehouse, which boasts 16-metre-high shelving with 28 levels, having the capacity to increase from today's 44,000 cases to 62,000. More than 11,000 different product codes sold every year. The daily handling capacity at full operation is over 7,200 order lines, 10,500 ready for delivery.